G'day guys, Nathan from Johnson's Four-Wheel Drive here. Just wanted to talk to you guys today about knowing the noises that are coming from your car that shouldn't be there and why you need to get some action on them straight away. So recently we had a Mitsubishi Pajero that came in and turned up on a tow truck. It was originally booked for a few weeks before that. Customer kept driving the vehicle, needed it for work or whatnot. So it ended up having a massive failure in the wheel bearing. So I've just got some parts here. I'm just going to pick them up and show you. So I've got here, this is the hub that the wheel bearing usually attaches to. It sort of goes, the wheel bearing all sits in here like this and it all spins around, and you can see that it's pretty much got no bearings left in it at all. You can see it's been running metal on metal. Spinning around in there, not having a good time. Actually, I think it goes that way. Spinning around, not having a real good time. So with that bearing moving around in there, if you can imagine, the wheel would be floating around in there, making all sorts of noises, and it's not going to be real good. So what attaches to that is this CV drive shaft. And you can see on the CV drive shaft that the wheel bearing will attach to it, and it moves up and down as the wheel's going around. So if that wheel on the end is flogging around like this whole shaft is moving around at the same time, and you can actually see that the ABS sensor ring is quite damaged on that CV shaft, and we've had to replace that shaft, replace that bearing. At the same time, we've had to replace the ABS sensor. So this is the sensor that runs on the ring, tells you the wheel speed, and you can see on the end there that it's quite damaged and not much good to anybody. So a little job that could have started with just a wheel bearing making a little bit of noise has turned into a complete failure. Probably gone from a job that would have cost maybe $500 to repair at the first point to costing a couple of $1,000s worth of parts. So something to consider when you're looking at the noises that are coming from your car that shouldn't be there. So get them checked out. Drop by and see us. We can go for a drive with you and make sure that the noises are not something that's going to cause a major failure.